makes banana. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make banana and oats brownies, which are eggless, healthy as well as really delicious. So let's get started. So for this recipe you require half plus 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of oats, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of dark chocolate, half a cup of butter, 2/3 cup of powdered sugar and 2 large bananas. Make sure that all your ingredients are in room temperature. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.